So I'm here in a really nice modern building with elevator and laundry, right one block from the 2nd Avenue F train. Really, really nice 2-bedroom with gorgeous light and views from every window. First bedroom is here. Really great size. These bedrooms easily fit queens. Desks and dressers. Double closet here. Always hard to tell on video when they're vacant, but a very comfortably sized room. Beautiful view from the balcony. We have double exposure here, so you're getting light and breeze from 2 directions. Second bedroom is here. Also really good size. Again, easily fits a queen desk and dresser. Closet is here. Same beautiful view. And there's a good sized common space as well. So you have some room here as well as here. This apartment was just vacated, so it still needs to be painted and cleaned. Most people will put a small 2-seater couch here or a large table. Different ways you could set it up, but really a decent size for common space. Bathroom also looks good. Very large, nicely tiled. This is an elevator building with laundry, gym, doorman, and a courtyard. So really excellent value here. Great value. Prime Central Village location.